All right, chicos, chicas, we're looking at poster project for Spanish verbs, AR verbs, and then maybe choosing one of the irregular verbs like tener, ser, estar, or ir, for example. So we'll just kind of peruse these slides here. Again, just our standard AR verb chart, o asamos, sais on. Let's see. Click on the next slide here. Create a poster. So basically just use basic paper, choosing at least two different Spanish verbs to present this content information to the class. It'll more than likely just be the row of people you're in. Let's see. Choose one Spanish verb from the following list. We'll see that on the next page. Ignore that alarm. Choose among, and then also letter B, choose among tener, ser, estar, or ir. Give the verb meaning. So like tener, for example, means to have, or ser means to be, or estar means to be, or ir means to go. And then letter D, conjugate the verb and create a verb chart. So like soy, eres, es, somos, soy, son, for example, if it was we were choosing the verb ser. And then writing at least 3 Spanish sentences using your chosen verb. All right, and so for a truncated list of AR verbs, estudiar, for example, to study, trabajar, to work, hablar, to speak, cantar, to sing, bailar, to dance, practicar, to practice, necesitar, to need, comprar, to buy, llegar, to arrive, tomar, to take, escuchar, to listen, llevar, to wear or carry. And then for the irregular verbs, choosing among either tener or ir, to go, ser, to be, or estar, to be. And then showing those conjugation tables on soy, eres, es, somos, soy, son. For ser, estar, estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. And then we'll go to ir, voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. Looking at one example sentence, nosotros vamos a la cafetería. We go to the cafeteria. Again, reiterating the AR verb endings, o asamos, sais, on. And then looking at a student work sample here of estudiar. So we have estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiáis, and estudian. So fun pictures there. And then just a couple examples, that last segment where if you were making sentences. So let's say I chose ser. Yo soy estudiante en la escuela de Lake. Los estudiantes son inteligentes. All the students are intelligent. Or la mochila está en el ropero, as in an example for estar. So again, getting the paper you need, finding a partner, creating the table, and then building the sentences from there, and then ultimately presenting. Okay, muchísimas gracias.